Track Weather First Alert.
Well, it would hit on Valentine's Day and kind of destroy your plans. We're calling it the Lover Storm of 2021. And I'll tell you what, that's why we issued that First Alert Tuesday, just to give you a heads up. We were confident that the cold Arctic air would spill in here. Not so confident exactly when we'd see the change over to snow. We thought it would occur mainly around midday, early afternoon. But guess what? It came in early, and bright and early this morning, we started off with a little rain and then quickly changed over to snow. And look at the snowfall amounts. Up in Reynosa, fire department, 14 inches they reported up there. Look at Las Cruces on the East Mesa, 1.5. Now, there's going to be other spots that maybe picked up some more. Anthony, New Mexico, 1.5. Chamberino at 2 inches. Far West Texas, West El Paso, 2 inches. Northeast, Bryan in the Northeast said he came in with 6 inches there. Officially at the El Paso airport so far at 3 inches. Lower Valley picked up 1.3 and Central at 2.7. So the storm meant business, and because we changed over to snow early on with all that cold air, and then we saw some greater snowfall amounts across parts of town. Now we're going to be awaiting some terribly cold temperatures by tomorrow morning. Now, here's what we're tracking on Doppler radar. Nothing here in town. Here's some light snow coming in from the northwest as we dig a little bit deeper in there. Most of this is very light, some flurries. This should all stay to the north of El Paso. You folks in Las Cruces might be able to pick up a little bit of some flurry action, but nothing I think that's really going to add to your accumulation out there. Look at the temperatures. Phoenix enjoying 60s, Tucson 59, and the rest of us, boy, we're shivering. Look it up in Albuquerque at 13. Amarillo at 1. Lubbock at 5. Look at Oklahoma City at 3. Dallas at 12, and down along the Riverwalk in San Antonio, hanging out in the 20s at 23 degrees. Elsewhere, I mean, look at as far as this Arctic air has spread. Chicago at 1, St. Louis 4, Minneapolis -6, that's the actual air temperature. Denver at -3, and again, portions of Texas just generally hanging out and right around the teens. All right, so here's our latest future track computer model. You notice how the snow bands start to exit the area. We'll have clouds hanging around overnight and into tomorrow, but it will be very cold. We may see a few breaks in the cloud cover to pick up some sunshine. That'll be nice. That'll help melt some of the ice and some of the snow that kind of hangs around tomorrow morning. But then we're going to be tracking our next system, which is going to give us an opportunity for some rain on Tuesday and Wednesday. So the first alert continues. Look at that low tomorrow morning, 13, the high of 35, 28 by Tuesday. The wind's going to crank up on Tuesday. Going to be a windy day, gusts at about 40 miles an hour. 51 on Wednesday, 40% chance of rain and lots of sunshine. Thursday, Friday, into the weekend. Look at this. We get close to 70 degrees by your weekend. We'll take a break. Have more news, sports after this.